Alright, so SSD gate, all this other goofy shit. I personally don't think it matters. I feel like that's just, what is it? Max Tech, Luke Miani. They're just supplying the market for people who don't like Apple with what they want to hear. You know, Apple sucks. They downgraded their product. Fuck people who buy Apple. But honestly, that hater mentality, that shit causes cancer. That shit ain't good for you. Okay. So, I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna have some fun here. You know, people say the midnight colors is fingerprints, blah, blah, blah. Every color gets fingerprints. Who cares? I bought the 16 gig with 2 terabytes because I'm coming from a 2015 12-inch MacBook. Anything is an improvement. And plus, with this one, in a year or two, if they do come out with like some kind of 15-inch MacBook, then I'll probably get at least 1,800, 1,500, 2,000 for mine. So you can't even see that, all the damn highlights. Let me go get my other one. So, let's see how this shit goes. You know what? I want to record this shit too. So all that shit about, you know, they got the stickers in here and everything. I'm like, I'm not about to use these stickers. I'm not going to put them on my refrigerator. Like, who cares? I'm saving that for the next buyer. I went and got a, you know, scissors, and I just realized I got this little pull tab. So whatever. Ooh. Okay, 12 inch is definitely lighter, but honestly, it's a lot lighter, but that's because I have a 12 inch right in front of me. If it wasn't for that, then you probably wouldn't even notice it. So, let's see. Show me what you got. It's the first Apple product I bought, like, without going on Craigslist and OfferUp. Sick. Oh, my fingerprints, bruh. That's a resale mark. You feel me? Okay, so got that. Got our cable. I don't know if that felt like a $2,100 snap. As long as I can do my Photoshop, get my money back, it's good enough for me, bro. Ooh. Aw, rip it. Fuck. Got some stickers in here, but that's for the next buyer. Alright, what am I gonna do? Put that on my refrigerator, in my car, my truck, I guess. You kidding me, bro? Alright, what else we got? Is that it? That's all we got? That's it, I guess. Get your MacBook and fuck off. I'm even gonna keep the cardboard. Compared to the MacBook 12, it's definitely a lot smaller. But who cares, you know? The truth is, I really wanted a 16 inch, but I needed 2 terabytes. And the 16 inch with 2 terabytes is so fucking expensive. Like, it just didn't make sense. So this was the cheapest way to, like, you know, get some higher performance out of my MacBook, get some resale value, especially with this color too. Thank you, Apple. And you know, enjoy myself throughout the experience. So I'll do a test shortly of the only thing that matters to me. How quick can I open my Photoshop? I don't know if you saw the shirt I was wearing, but I designed that. And I just want to be able to, you know, open up Photoshop in a reasonable amount of time without having to wait fucking 5 to 15 minutes. I don't know how long. Sometimes it opens up in 2 minutes. Sometimes it just doesn't work. So after using Migration Assistant, took a few hours, you know, just had a nice nap. I'm going to run the only test that matters to me. It's not going to be any black magic, Cinebench, yada yada. How fast is my Photoshop open? And if you notice, when I bought this, I actually had a French-Canadian keyboard. Like, what's going on here? Why is my question mark here? The homie here? I kind of got used to this after now going back to the normal style. But yeah. So let's try to press these at the same time. Just to kind of... Okay. That says Photoshop. Now I did Migration Assistant. I don't even know if it's going to work properly, but... Alright. Launch them on both. Oh shit. Well, I guess that's not a good test, huh? Well, look, here's the point. Let's see how long this one takes. And I really think I'm gonna just leave this as a single shot. I feel so bad, man. I could really like take off all these icons, make it a cuter desktop or whatever. Also, it's probably in the title, but this is the 16 gigabytes with 2 terabyte MacBook Air. Why 2 terabytes? Because I fly drones, and sometimes, you know, I get, I don't know, 40 gigs, 50 gigs worth of video, worth of data after a shoot. So I just want to be able to transfer that plus all my Photoshop. You know, sometimes files can be, you know, a gig per design, and I make a few, you know, in a month I may make 10 designs, 5, 10, 15 designs. So, yeah. I feel bad. Should I just skip this part? I think I'm gonna leave it recording, then I'll just clip it out. Honestly, that is the fastest it ever loaded. What the hell? That was not too bad.